I have anchored a single strand of beading thread in gold on my canvas along this painted line. We're going to outline the branch that the birds are sitting on with our pearl. I've cut off the very tip of the pearl that I was holding on to because that is not stretched as much as the rest. And then all we're going to do is lay this in place and couch it where we want it. With each stitch, you want the thread to pop down in between the coils. We could also be using a single strand of silk or 100/3 from Soie. Any small, fine thread will work. And particularly at the beginning and end of each line of couching, and anywhere that I am going to be changing direction, I want to stitch in every hole. As we go along further, if I'm doing a long run of a color, you know I'm going to cheat and I'm going to skip some holes. But for now, let's go with every thread.